here.
So it's kind of like replace the Croc now.
Oh yeah, I definitely for
So
the
let me
look.
see them Crocs.
For the look alone, I could deal with these solo.
Y'all see these, right? So now we just straight foams, man. So
Did you just do that?
So we got a major Yeezy release going down that I think some of you guys may be checking for. So in today's video, we're gonna be taking an early look at the next foam runner colorway. These joints are called Mineral Blue. So we'll have a detailed look to kind of break down the colorway. We'll talk about sizing as well as comfort. And hey, since these joints are high in demand, we'll even talk a little bit about stock numbers. So what's good, guys? JA, if y'all are new here on this channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, but stay tuned for today's new video because it's coming right up next, y'all. So what is good, guys? What's going on, everybody? Salute. Appreciate y'all so much. Thank you to everybody for pulling up for today's new video. So happy Memorial Day weekend to everybody. You guys thought it was gonna be a great, relaxed weekend to kick back, enjoy, but unfortunately, Adidas and Yeezy have planned to drop a few crazy drops on us. So be on alert, guys. We got the Alien Blue dropping on the 31st, Memorial Day, and then on Saturday, the 29th, a restock of the Yeezy Foam Runner Sand, and then they're introducing a new colorway on us. So we have the Mineral Blue joints set to drop Saturday. These joints will be dropping in full family sizing. Adults pairs retail at $60. So I love the retail price on it, but let's keep it real, man. These joints are gonna be crazy high in demand. So unfortunately, be prepared to pay resale because it's gonna be a problem, guys. So with that being said, we did first see images of these leak, showing that it was gonna be a navy blue like foam runner colorway. But actually looking at these in hand, you will notice, guys, that these do feature the MX mixed swirl pattern going on. But due to the darker tones of this footwear, it's very hard to notice it. So we have a detailed video clip right here showcasing the actual colors, guys. You'll notice that while the Mineral Foam Runner does feature that navy colorway, it does almost look like a black. So you do have infused a navy as well as a blue going on, are the two primary colors on this footwear. But from the naked eye, I just call it the black foam runner. Now, originally, the OG Foam Runner Air Rat as well as the Sand colorway were manufactured in the US, but these joints will be a China-made product. In terms of sizing, guys, the Foam Runner will be available only in full sizes. They do run true to size, so if you are one of those people that fall in between, unfortunately, they make it a little difficult on you. I would still suggest to half size up. So the Yeezy Foam Runner is extremely comfortable. I love the ease of just sliding them on your feet and heading right out the door. Now be careful, y'all. I did wear these joints at a water park, man, with no socks. Beware of possible blisters. So I always suggest to rock them with socks when possible, guys. So for the Foam Runner, guys, mad comfortable as mentioned. I would say they're probably even more comfortable than the Yeezy Slides, possibly making them the most comfortable Yeezy model. So the Yeezy Foam Runner Mineral Blue will be releasing this Saturday, May the 29th, alongside a restock of the Foam Runner Sand colorway. Now, in terms of stock numbers, I can't give you guys the exact number. Once again, they will be dropping in full family sizing, but just to kind of give you an idea of stock numbers, they're gonna be around the same stock numbers that we've been getting for a lot of the Yeezys that have dropped this year. For example, the 700 V2 Cream as well as the 700 Bright Blue. So there'll be a decent amount of pairs of these, but the demand will be out of this world. It's a worldwide drop, so it will be a very difficult pair to cop. One thing I can tell you guys though is they will be manufacturing probably 3 to 4 times as many pairs of the Mineral Blues as the Sand. So the Sand restock will be a very difficult cop. These joints will be dropping on Yeezy Supply as well as the Adidas Confirmed app and possible select retailers. So Yeezy Supply is gonna be a tough cop due to the fact that the Sand are very limited. I would put my luck in for the Mineral Blue on Yeezy Supply. and then try to cop both sizes via the Confirmed app. So expect a Confirmed raffle on Saturday morning. I always feel like the Confirmed is our best shot at trying to cop these joints. I was lucky enough to cop a pair of sand joints, you know, on the Confirmed app from my mom, but unfortunately they were a little bit too big. So I'm gonna be going ahead and giving her this pair. So let's see how she likes them, guys. All right, Ma, so before the first colorway, the sand joints, it was a little too big, right? So
Yeah.
so we're gonna keep these.
What was it, a 6?
Size 6.
And I would normally wear a 6.5.
In women's, but this is men's sizes. So
Oh, okay.
so we're gonna try out the size 5 now.
So I have to say, I like this color a whole lot better.
You like it better than the white?
Definitely, because I actually keep mine clean. I wipe it down every time I wear it. On my shoes, basically. So
what you think about the design though?
because it's new, you know, it's like spaceship, Mars, and all that kind of stuff. So I like that new stuff.
Here, put
Nothing
this one.
else
Let me take the tag off because these are yours. So
There's nothing else out there like this, in my opinion. But anyway, so here we go.
yeah, you had to get the black because you already got like the bone slides, so you needed a contrast in color. I feel like.
Yeah, and these are dark. That's why I like them.
So talk to me about the comfort level.
And
on
the
them joints.
comfort level, it feels great. It's you know, that soft stuff, foamy, like the kind of like this stuff here.
So it's kind of like replace the Croc now.
Oh yeah, I definitely for
So
the
let me
look.
see them Crocs.
For the look alone, I could deal with these solo.
Y'all see these, right? So now we just straight foams, man. So
Did you just do that?
I had to get you right. So let's go ahead
Well,
and do
that means you got to keep me living in these. Like you got to get me more. Okay. All right.
So appreciate everybody for tuning in for today's video. JA, stay safe, stay blessed. We out.
And watch my son all the time. Bye.